Welcome aboard, everyone, to Bad Boats. My name is Ron. I got another exciting video for you today, and this comes from Saint Augustine, Florida. Now, you know, everybody needs help, okay? And this is no exception. But the only difference is sometimes just using a strap is not the way to go. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this video. The truck's doing a pretty good job pulling that Ford SUV out. But it looks like they need to have more weight in the back of the SUV because it's beginning to lift up. It's lifting more. This one guy just standing there like, hey, what the hell is going on? And look how far that back of that truck is up. And one guy on the dock, he lifted the back of the Ford up completely off the ground. Let's go ahead and give it another pull and see what happens. Boom, there it goes. Just let's go. Now, guys, what would you do in this situation? Would you have put some people on the tongue of that boat and put some weight on it to help compress down the back of the SUV to get more traction? Or would you have done the scenario here? Anyway, everyone, make sure you like and subscribe and check out our other channel for the best in haulover inlet is Boat Mania. And make sure you leave your comments because I do look at them every day. Thank you very much and have a great day.